What's the meaning of barrio? Barrio. Barrio.
Barrio. Barrio. Barrio is a Spanish term that refers to a neighborhood or small community, typically found in urban areas. It is often used to describe a tight-knit community with a strong sense of identity and culture. Barrios are typically made up of working-class or low-income families, and can be found in many Latin American countries as well as in some U.S. cities with large Hispanic populations. These neighborhoods often have a distinct character and social hierarchy, and may be marked by poverty, crime, and other social issues. However, they can also be vibrant and welcoming places, full of colorful personalities and rich cultural traditions.